The design of the Kobe Nike Air Force 1 Low has been seriously revealed by the appearance of detailed in-hand photos. Both sneakers do have the large 8 logos. Kobe's signature takes the place of the normal Air text on the midsole, and tiny Sheath logos are used in place of the underfoot traction, which is typically a collage of stars. The broad checkered laces and the soft yellow/purple mix of Bryant's clothing that day, which was inspired by a picture of him practicing in pajama trousers when he was recovering from a broken hand, feature in this shoe. If you're not convinced that this is the reference point, take a look inside. They have a visual representation of it split over the insoles, and they also have drop-in reaction foam that was modified from earlier Protro models. Though the merchant has a reputation of releasing items well in advance, Shelf Life, the store that offers these revised styles, states that they will be available on June 6. Sooner or later, there will probably be a larger decline through SNKRS and other channels.